Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google AdSense account details. This is a crucial skill to have, especially when you need to update your contact information or switch to a different email address for account notifications and communication. Let's dive right in and get your account information updated. First, open your web browser and navigate to adsense.google.com. This will take you directly to the Google AdSense homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in using your existing credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready, as you'll need to access your account to make any changes. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the AdSense dashboard. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation panel. Here you need to click on Account. This section is where all your account-related settings and configurations are housed, making it the central hub for managing your AdSense profile. After clicking on Account, you'll be presented with several options. From these, locate and click on Settings. This will open up a more detailed menu of account configuration options. Next, you'll want to click on Personal Settings. This is the specific area where you can modify your personal information, including contact details that Google uses to communicate with you. Now you should be able to see contact details displayed on your screen. This is exactly where you need to be to update your account information. Here you can make changes to how Google AdSense contacts you and which details are associated with your account. Go ahead and input your first name and last name in the provided fields. Make sure these details are accurate and match any official documentation you might have, as this information is important for verification purposes and payment processing. Next, you'll notice you have two options for your email configuration. You can choose to either use login email or use different email. If you're happy with using the same email address you log in with for all communications, simply select Use Login Email. However, if you prefer to receive notifications and updates at a different email address, click on Use Different Email. If you choose this option, you'll need to input another email address in the field that appears. This flexibility allows you to separate your login credentials from your communication preferences. Additionally, you can input your contact phone number in the designated field. Having a phone number on file can be helpful for account recovery and important security notifications. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and double-checked that everything is correct, click Save at the bottom of the page. This will ensure all your changes are stored and updated in the system. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Google AdSense account details. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.